The myCRM dashboard is divided into 3 distinct sections: status, statistics, and activity log. The status page is where you'll see the current performance of myCRM. We believe strongly that transparency is the best way to build trusting relationships, and use the status page to show you exactly what is happening with us in the wider sense, all of myCRM, and for yourself, company account. You can toggle between the two on the right. On many sections you'll notice an icon which is a question mark in a circle. If you hover over this, it will explain what that specific section means. For example, the first section is showing you the number of people who have published, edited, or unpublished listings in the past hour. The number of properties that those people published, edited, or unpublished in the past hour, how long it currently takes myCRM to generate the XML feed, and how many times the portal has fetched information from their XML feed since midnight today. Below that, the system component statuses displays the different systems that myCRM employs and how they are performing. Again, if you want to learn more, simply hover your mouse over the question mark. System metrics shows the graphs pertaining to myCRM performance. These graphs are live and undoctored, so you get the real picture. If the system is great, you'll see it. If there are issues, you'll see it. Finally, the incidents section is where we record any bugs, outages, or glitches that might have occurred. If you ever experience anything that would be described as a bug, for example, please check here first, and if there is nothing there, please report it using the Chat Now function as soon as you can. The statistics section is designed to give you a top-down view of what is happening with your listings and your leads. Admins can see all the statistics for everyone, whereas managers and agents can see what they are allowed to see. All sections tell you what they are displayed underneath, and all of them can be changed using the drop-down. Everything is clickable as well, so if it says you have 4 leads this week, click on the bar and see which ones you have received. Don't forget, you can do all this on your phone as well. The activity log is present on most screens anyway, but in the section you will see all the changes made by all people since the start of your myCRM subscription. Every change ever made by anybody ever. Not only that, it will show you the date and time of the change, who made it, which IP address they used, and what was the value before and after the change. This section is fully searchable down to section, date, and user. You could reach out to us and ask for more help. Let us know your thoughts by emailing support@mycrm.com, calling 800 myCRM, or using the Chat Now function.